Good day, my people, good day. Today I'm gonna do brown stew mutton, rice and peas. You understand, most people curry it, but I'm gonna brown stew it today, so stay tuned and watch out. Welcome back to my channel, first and foremost, All Purpose Kitchen. Stay with me, stick, I'm gonna do a thing. Watch what I go on. I'm gonna put it on my fire now. Yeah. A few peg of garlic and drop in my pot right now. Get it covered and let it go and cook. Alright, get the mutton. I already get the mutton clean now, the excess fat off it already. So I'm gonna season it up now. Wash some vinegar water and things like that. That is it. Another wash. I already washed it in vinegar water already, but I can give another wash, you know. Here. I get my seasoning now for go on my mutton. So this fat and pretty from the backyard. Scallion. Real fat. Cut up hot pepper, I like my things spice nappy, you know, this pepper hot like wow, you know. Seed and everything cut up and everything, people. A few peg of garlic and thing. Yes, people, see how I go on now. Everything is nice proper, you know. Alright, my people, get in a little black pepper on it. Garlic season. Have some jerk season as well. complete seasoning. Some paprika as well. And I'm gonna use a little bit of Larry. I know Larry is very salt. Alright, that is it. Okay, and I did that stir and I'm gonna wow, smell really nice, my people. Aroma lick off my nose. The pepper is very strong tonight. Some browning on it, people. Okay, looking nice. Indeed, I get some coconut in the pot, you know. I have to deal with the mutton. Get in the coconut in the pot. Eat up, you know. Fry the mutton. Deal with the mutton properly. You see it? A brown stew mutton today. Not curry mutton. Brown stew with some nice rice and peas, my people. You see it? All purpose kitchen at it again. Watch what I go on. The oil are going at my people. People, man, you soak that ginger in the pot, you know? I get in my mutton in the pot, you know. Yes, my people. You go and simmer, you know. Get him up. Yes, my people now. Cook 2 corn, you know, because my man loves corn, you know, people. I have 2 corn, I have it at the side, you know. Don't know the thing go. Right. Wash them off and get them in the pot and keep them. Yes, my people, I get some salt in the corn pot, you know. Yeah. I put a little butter in it as well. little garlic. Just get a little flavor to give the corn a little taste, you know? Alright. That go on cook here now. That's it. I'll check my meat pot here now. Yeah, my people, I get the coconut up, you know. Cut up some coconut, make some coconut milk, put on rice pot, and lick in on me. I make brown stew mutton, you know. Give him that taste. Blend up the coconut there. Blend up, you know, get it ready for the rice and peas pot and put some of the brown stew mutton. Okay. Natural coconut milk, you know. Put on the red rice. Red rice we call it now. Rice and peas. Get a little water in the pot now, people. I like it have the color, you know. Not gonna do anything, you know. When people look at it, you have to keep and add water to it, you know. Each time you put down, add water, get it tender, then you know, we have final water to add with the seasoning and get it up, okay? Check my peas in our pot here now. Get them ready. Yes, man, peas ready, my people. So I will season up the pot right away, we have not waste no time. First and foremost, get some coconut milk in it first. Yeah. And let me have a little more ingredients, names and powder seasoning and so. Get some salt in it as well. Go and cook. Need a little salt. That will do. Alright, make it go on. Click more than me. Get my rice up tonight. Ready. Simmer down and everything. Nice and thing. And people coming, getting to what I want it, you know. Add some more water to it. Add some more water to it, people. Put a little bit more. We're gonna make it go and cook down some more. Get the paper, get the rice, wash up and all. Give it another wash the paper. That look nice. Let too much rice green right, you know. Okay. Can go and cook your normal people. Yeah, my people, I final water this add to the seasoning and everything. Yeah, the coconut water, this some coconut water with the seasoning. Because we continue to add water to it to make it get tender. Yeah. So you know it go, people. So the final water add to it to cook it down with all the seasoning and stuff. Alright. Cooking nice for people, see that now? You always get the ketchup in my thing, you know. Get a little body in the gravy, you know. Brown stew, you know. And put a little ketchup in it still. And everybody do it this way still, but this is my way of doing my thing, you know. Just to get the body of the gravy. Yeah. Yes, people. I like this, you know. This is it. People. Nice rice and peas that, you know. Red. Yes, people. All purpose cooking at it again. Fly planting over there. And people, finishing touch that, you know. Rice and peas and the brown stew mutton. See the people? Yeah, I'm calm. Blend made. Yeah, my people, so it look nice and beautiful. This is all-purpose cooking. You see it? So please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Please touch the notification bell if you not yet do so. When you subscribe, please touch the notification bell, please. And thanks. This is it, people. Thank you all for watching.